when your child plays with a toy, chances are it's come from a place just like this, a factory in China. China is responsible for manufacturing about 70% of the worldwide toy market. It generates more than $20 billion a year and provides well over 500,000 jobs. But all of that comes at an environmental cost. And that is where Emily Chung comes in. She is the owner of Li, this metal and toy manufacturer here in southern China, and they're doing something about the environment. So Emily, tell me what we're seeing here. These are machines that are helping to make things more energy efficient?
But when you compare it to the traditional process, when you need to do one piece by one piece, and you need to do the painting, then you need a lot of workers and longer production time.
So there's fewer workers and higher productivity.
Yes, you need.
And also the lighting, you were telling me, makes a big difference as well?
2 years ago, we used the T5, which has reduced half of the energy consumption.
So saving half of the energy consumption of the
but
lights.
now we further save another half.
Wow.
So we are 1/4 of the original lighting system. So this is only just 112 volt to use one lighting. So for the whole production line, you can imagine how much you save.
So fewer workers, less energy, shorter production, and that means saving in
Of course,
cost.
you need to invest this machinery, but in long run, you
will
save
back.
back.
You will save.
Yeah.
So Emily, what is happening here? How are you using water here more effectively?
We use the water current to capture all the gas, and then we have separate the chemical waste with the filter. So the filter water will be going back to the tank and use as a water current again.
So you're able to capture the waste, send the waste to the roof, capture it in the water, then separate the waste, clean the water, and use it again.
Yes, yes. So that we don't have any industrial wastewater to discharge.
This device here suspends the motor, and that then saves on the energy because the motor's no longer spinning.
Yes, and that's why it can save like 1/3 of the regular consumption of the
One third. And overall, percentage-wise, compared to before, how much energy are you saving?
1/3 for the machinery, 1/2 for total battery consumption.
Now we know that China is the biggest emitter of greenhouse gases in the world, and international studies show that manufacturing for export contributes to about 30% of that. But what Li is doing here is making a difference, one small step at a time, and other toy manufacturers are beginning to follow their lead.